All right, today we're going to be discussing the Honeywell 8000 thermostat, specifically some scheduling functions and then the hold function. So on this Honeywell 8000, we do have the ability to schedule. If we go to the menu setting, you can go down to view your schedule and see what parameters you have in place for each day. But to edit the schedule, we're going to hit the Edit Schedule tab, which again can be found in the menu. It gives you a scheduling assistant to make that schedule building a little easier for you. We'll select yes on that. It's going to start and ask us how we want to schedule what days. You can pick any days whatsoever. So for this, we're going to act like we're setting it up for while we're at work. We're selecting Monday through Friday. Is someone home all day? If you have somebody that works from home, this is a feature to use. But if you select no, it's going to take away some of your scheduling features. So for this, we do not have anyone home all day. When does the first person wake up? It gives you a time frame over here. You can select that up. It was at 6 o'clock a.m. We'll select 7 a.m. When does the last person leave? So for this, somebody gets a little later start, we'll set it at 8:30 a.m. Then when does the first person return home? We got an early riser, so we're gonna get home at about 4:30. And then when does the last person goes to sleep? We are definitely not night owls in this house, so we go to sleep at 9 o'clock. Then we're going to go through and it's going to ask you what are your temperature thresholds that you'd like to set each event for. So when we wake up, we definitely want our house to be a little warmer, so we'll set it at 68, and a little cooler, so we'll set that at 72 degrees. When we leave, we definitely want to be saving some energy, so we're going to set that way back where the system's still on. Another setting that this thermostat has is the fan option. So if you select the fan button on the left lower hand side, you notice that you have three options. Right now we're in auto mode. The auto mode is only going to run the fan when there is a call for heating or air conditioning. We have an on feature. The on selection makes that blower motor run all the time, circulating air through your vents, 24 hours a day. The last feature is going to be our Circulate feature. The Circulate feature makes that fan run for 20 minutes on the hour. So if it's 1:40 in the afternoon, my heating and air conditioning has not run, at that time it's going to bring my fan on to run for the remaining hour, so that it will circulate some air through the house to keep that stagnant air out. That's a brief rundown of the Honeywell N100 thermostat. If you have any other questions on the Honeywell N100 thermostat, please give us a call at 615-893-6972.